Replacement Components has all your indoor air quality needs covered with both factory-authorized parts and Totaline aftermarket parts and supplies. Our extensive IAQ lineup includes a variety of HEPA air cleaners. We have duct-mount whole house models and portable units, and all remove many airborne contaminants on the first pass of air. Now that's efficient. And our Totaline True HEPA delivers up to an impressive 67 whole house air changes per day. Or choose filtration with our 5-in-1 HEPA air cleaners from 5 Seasons. Again, available in both whole house duct-mounted and portable models. These units feature a carbon pre-filter, an efficient HEPA media filter, 2 UVA germicidal lights, a unique photocatalytic oxidation filter, and a carbon potassium final filter for removal of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. VOCs are the byproducts of common household items like cleaning supplies, hairspray, air fresheners, paint, and more. All of our HEPA models come with a 5-year limited warranty. And we've made it easy to choose the right model for any home or business. Just see our sizing charts, available at rchvacparts.com. Now more than ever, your customers rely on you for indoor air quality solutions for their customers. Count on Replacement Components for the right options for your customers' needs. And to see our full line of IAQ products and learn more about all of our HEPA air cleaners, visit rchvacparts.com/IAQ.